Okay, we got a major blizzard day before my birthday. My dog's with me. There's our bin, you can hardly see it. I hope this is recording. Now, here's our tree line. There's our farm back there, our house back there. Okay, I'm going to go beyond the tree line. I'm going to see what happens. Here comes Dusty. There we go. Yep. Having fun now. It's great fun. Hey, I'm bored. It's not really cold out, but still it's really blowing and there's whiteout, and they've closed all the roads in southern Minnesota. Here, snow's blowing. Okay, I'm going to go back now because it's, like I said, not fit for driving or walking. So, I'm going to post this on Facebook just because it's stuff I do. Alright, everyone hunker down, stay put. I'm headed back to the house. My lips are getting froze. Okay. Ciao.